Welcome to Choice Champions. The best sliding door curtains is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home, transforming large glass expanses into focal points of design and functionality, offering everything from light control and privacy to energy efficiency and a significant aesthetic upgrade, making them an essential consideration for any homeowner looking to enhance both the look and feel of their living spaces. Number 5. NICETOWN Pure White 50% Light Reducing Curtains. Introducing our elegant curtain set, designed to bring a touch of casual sophistication to any room. The easy-to-slide grommet design makes installation a breeze. Experience true white with our innovative triple weave technology. Unlike others, our curtains feature a white yarn middle layer, ensuring a pure, unblemished color. These curtains offer the perfect balance, blocking 50% of sunlight while maintaining your privacy. They are designed to beautifully complement any existing decor. Easily match these with sheer curtains from our collection or enhance their shading capabilities with our liners for customized light control. Enjoy lasting quality with minimal effort. These curtains are machine washable and easy to maintain, ensuring they look great for years to come. What we like? If you're looking for a bright, airy feel while still maintaining privacy, these are a great choice. They offer a clean, pure white look that complements any decor. Consider these if you want to soften the light and add a touch of casual elegance to your living space. What people say. The fabric is thick and blocks out light effectively, making the room darker. They are easy to slide open and closed, which is convenient for a sliding door. The color is a perfect match for my decor and the material feels high quality. Number 4. NICETOWN Gray Blackout Patio Door Curtains. Experience the luxurious feel of our super soft, heavy triple weave polyester. The elegant design features a modern touch with 14 silver grommets for effortless hanging. These extra wide panels provide perfect coverage for your sliding doors. They effectively block out most light and harmful UV rays, ensuring your privacy. Our triple weave blackout fabric helps maintain a comfortable room temperature year-round. This means reduced energy costs and protection for your furniture from sun damage. Arriving wrinkle-free and perfectly trimmed, these are ready to install right away. They are ideal for patio doors, French doors, and large windows, and can be combined with sheer curtains for a layered look. Crafted with quality finishing, these curtains are built to last. Enjoy easy care with machine washability in cold water and mild detergent. What we like? For those who need maximum light control and energy efficiency, this option is ideal. It effectively blocks out light, helps regulate room temperature, and reduces external noise. If you prioritize a dark, quiet, and energy-smart environment, especially for bedrooms or media rooms, this is the one to consider. What people say. The fabric is thick and blocks out light effectively, creating a dark room for sleeping. These curtains are well made with a nice weight to them, and they hang beautifully. The thermal lining helps to insulate the room, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Number 3. Sun Zero Barrow Sliding Patio Door Curtain Panel. Introducing the Sun Zero Barrow Curtain Panel, designed to enhance your living space. Its versatile design makes it perfect for sliding glass doors and large windows. Experience improved privacy and a more comfortable atmosphere. This panel effectively blocks out unwanted light, creating a serene environment. Save on your energy bills with its energy-efficient design. It helps reduce energy loss through your windows by up to 25%. Enjoy a more consistent home temperature year-round. Its thermal properties help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Achieve more restful sleep with noise reduction of up to 25%. Plus, it's easy to maintain with simple machine wash instructions. Installation is a breeze thanks to the built-in metal grommets. They are designed to fit standard curtain rods up to 1.5 inches in diameter. What we like? If you're aiming to reduce energy costs and enhance privacy without a complete blackout, this is a solid choice. It offers a good balance of light reduction and thermal insulation. You should consider this if you want to save on energy bills and enjoy a more peaceful room, especially for large windows or patio doors. What people say. The fabric is thick and blocks out the sun well, making the room much darker. They look great and hang nicely, giving the room a more finished look. The curtains are easy to install and adjust, and they slide smoothly on the rod. Number 2. H.VERSAILTEX Patio White Curtains. Introducing our extra wide patio curtains, designed to perfectly fit your sliding doors. These panels offer exceptional room darkening capabilities. Each panel measures a generous 100 inches wide by 84 inches long, providing ample coverage. They feature 16 sturdy metal grommets for easy hanging. Enjoy complete privacy with these curtains that block 50% of sunlight and 100% of UV rays. They are eco-friendly and safe for your home environment. Crafted from soft yet durable microfiber, these curtains offer excellent thermal insulation, noise reduction, and energy efficiency. They are perfect for dividing spaces and enhancing privacy. Ideal for patio doors, French doors, or any large window, these curtains are a smart and cost-effective way to refresh your living areas. They are easy to install and slide smoothly. Keeping them looking great is simple. These curtains are machine washable in cold water and can be tumble dried on low heat. What we like? This option is perfect for those who are conscious about UV protection and eco-friendly materials. It provides complete privacy and blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture. If you have sensitive skin, valuable furnishings, or simply want a safe and private environment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These curtains are made of a thick, heavy material that provides excellent blackout capabilities, blocking out almost all light. The fabric is soft and drapes beautifully, giving a luxurious feel to the room. They also seem to help with sound dampening. Installation was straightforward, and the grommets are sturdy and well-made, allowing for smooth sliding on the rod. Number 1. Joydeco Blackout Curtains 96 inches long. Experience complete darkness and protect your space from harmful UV rays. Our curtains offer superior light illumination, keeping your room cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Enhance your decor with a luxurious faux linen fabric that drapes beautifully. Enjoy a soft, natural look that adds elegance to any room while providing excellent noise reduction and privacy. Dramatically reduce your energy costs with our thermal insulated curtains. They create a powerful barrier to maintain comfortable temperatures year-round, saving you up to 25% on heating and cooling. Enjoy a more peaceful environment. These curtains dampen ambient noise by approximately 30%, offering superior sound absorption for ultimate relaxation. Effortlessly open and close your curtains with the smooth glide grommet design. The metal rings ensure easy sliding and even weight distribution for a sophisticated look. Maintain a pristine look with minimal effort. These curtains are machine washable, wrinkle resistant, and available in multiple sizes and colors to perfectly fit your windows. What we like? If you desire a luxurious look combined with ultimate light blocking and energy savings, this is the product for you. The faux linen texture adds elegance, while the dual-layer construction ensures maximum darkness and insulation. Choose this if you want to create a sophisticated, light-proof, and comfortable sanctuary in your bedroom or living room. What people say. The fabric is thick and blocks out light effectively, making the room darker. The curtains are well made with durable stitching and a nice weight to them. They slide smoothly on the rod, which is a great convenience for frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.